we're at the end of another month. So it's time for us to tell you what's been going on and what we have coming up. We're going to do that right now. This is Todd
and Jessica from Sniping Rhino Ranch.
In today's video, we're just going to update you on some of the things that we've had going on out here at the ranch, as well as give you an idea of some of the things that we have upcoming. Also, because it's the end of the month, we're going to do shout outs to a couple channels that have interacted with us the most.
But before we do that, if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead related videos. With that out of the way, let's get to the updates. Alright, May looked a lot like last month for us school-wise. Michael finished his freshman year of school, which we're pretty excited about. I ordered his sophomore year, which I don't think he's quite as excited about, but we have that on the way. Stefan is still plugging away. As we've told you before, he finished all of 7th grade and has done half of his 8th grade year. So he's still plugging away at 8th grade, and we ordered 9th grade for him, so once he finishes, he can start right in on high school. So that's where we're at with school. Besides that, I feel like we've done a lot of gardening. We built and planted a bunch of raised beds. We had a blueberry, blackberry patch that the previous owners had kind of worked, and then we let that go. We're next year hoping to turn that into a garden, so instead of just wasting the space this year, we've worked part of that into a garden and planted that. And then we also Todd also tilled up an area in the ground that next year again will be an in-ground garden, but again we didn't want to waste the space, so we planted some of our seeds in that just to see what will come up. So we've been doing a lot of gardening stuff, hoping for a good crop this year, and even looking forward to next year. So that's where we're at with that.
Yeah, in fact, with the gardening, we got involved with a kind of competition or challenge, if you will, called the Shed Wars. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. Just put in #ShedWars, and a ton of videos come up. There's teams all over the United States, to include a team over the pond, which is some of our foreign friends outside the U.S. who are participating. And it's really just good fun. Trying to help each other learn how to grow while talking a lot of smack to each other. So we've actually had some fun filming those videos, and you can expect a couple of those videos each month through the end of October. Additionally, animals have been busy and haven't. Mostly it's just continuing to maintain and improve on what we have. But I guess when it comes to bees and the chickens, we've actually had a lot going on this month. We split our hives last month. We went from 3 hives to 6 hives, but we just had a lot of trouble with the weather, being able to have our virgin queens do their mating flight. So, and additionally, we had another queen die. So we had 3 hives that didn't have a laying queen in it, which can be significant. So we kind of did a bunch of things with that. In the end, we just put some mated queens in there. They accepted it, and as of this week, we have all 6 of our hives laying eggs. Everything's going well. Chickens, we've had a lot of baby chicks this year. We just put about half of them. Mm-hmm. About half of them have just been introduced, I guess, yesterday into the chicken coop, and they're segregated from the big ones to try to protect them, so we'll do that for a while. And then we still have the other half is still in brooder boxes, just basically getting them bigger to where we can introduce them. So a lot on the chicken front and a lot on the beef front. But other than that, it's just improving, I guess, our foxhole, if you will, on animals. I guess the channels, like I said, the Shed Wars has been something we've been participating in and really getting to know a bunch of people from different channels. Additionally, we're actually going to go do a visit to to somebody we met through YouTube. We've never actually done this before, where we go and do a video with another YouTube channel, someone we've never met in person before. It's purely been through YouTube. The YouTuber is actually German Shepherd Homestead. If you haven't seen him, go check him out. He just started this year. Amazing channel. It's I guess a man and his dog. He's a very similar background to what I have. So in a week or so, I'm going to go down there and help him with the project, which I'm not going to give away the project, but it's going to be super awesome. You'll have to check his channel out to watch that. Additionally, I guess we have some channel shout-outs. This was a big month for us on, I guess, interacting with different YouTube channels. In fact, we've had more people interact with us this month than any other month previous. And so we kind of came up with one clear-cut winner of who had interacted with us the most, and then 3 that tied for second. And we're going to include all of them because the winner was Arkansas Woodcutter. As I mentioned previously, he, along with Willett Grow, are the ones who started the Shed Wars. And so because of the Shed Wars, he's really been interacting with us the most. Second is actually a 3-way tie, which if you watched our update and channel shout out last month, you already know these channels. It's Homegrown Country Homestead, Dorothys Hobby Farm, and Blooming in Place. Like I said, they were the 3 winners from last month for the shout out. So go ahead and check their channels out and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And just to give a reminder to everyone, how we do our shout outs is at the end of the month, we look at which channels has interacted with one of our videos or left a comment, something like that, and whoever does it the most, those are the channels that we do a shout out to. So if you want a shout out, just interact with our channel. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And while you're at it, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment. Tell us what's going on in your life, on your homestead, or just in general. It doesn't really matter.
And like I said before, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming homestead-related videos. This is Jessica
And Todd from Sniping Ranch saying,
Have a great day.